Guys and gals, it's Sweet Project Cars here with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer and simple ways. Today we're here with an update on our battery video. Many of you wanted to see them work, see them start something up, and they've been sitting here since this video right here. Now, if you have not seen that video, you need to stop right now, go to the Show More area.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Click the video link, go watch that before you watch this video, okay? But we're glad to be back. Hope all of you had a great Mother's Day. We took Sunday off for our mothers, and we are glad we did. Makes Mama happy. We'd like to thank these people right here for donating to our channel via our PayPal link. Thank you so much. It helps us tremendously. Also, we're going to give you an update on our best shine ever. You got to check that out as well here. Now let's go throw these in a 7.3 liter diesel and see if they start that vehicle up. All right, here's the first battery. As you can see, it's the same exact one. We're not cleaning the posts, and we're not cleaning the female part of the battery cable that goes on the post. We're going to give these batteries every chance to not work. Okay, here's the second battery. As you can see, it's the same exact one. All right, guys and gals, remember this video we did 2 weeks ago with this stuff right here? Well, Julio said he's going to start taking care of his car better, or he said he would guarantee he would get back on his burro and ride that. But I want to share with you the silicon dioxide and the polymers in this not only give you the best shine you'll ever get, but check this out. We did just this side, one coat of it. Watch. Look at that. Now watch this side. It stays puddled up. Puddled up. Let's get up there close. See how it all beaded up right there? Runs right off. That's what's fantastic about this. Now this side that wasn't done is all puddled up, not running off and beating up. This is just amazing stuff. We wanted to share that as an update to you. Now back to the original video. And we're not even tightening the battery cables down. We're just taking the battery cable and sticking them on there. Corroded and everything. Now you would clean them, of course. And we're just pressing them on and twisting them a little bit. All right, let's go fire it up and see what happens. We are going to cycle the glow plugs 3 times before we hit the key.